Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, boo? Okay, so it's Wednesday, so you know Wednesday is always about hair, some type of wig, some type of something. So I decided to show you guys how I do like my kind of like wavy flat iron curls, like just to give you a little bit of balance in your long tresses, okay? Or your short tresses. This will work for your short tresses as well. So if this is something that you want to see or learn or whatever, make sure you continue to watch. This channel is always about fashion, hair, makeup, DIYs, all of that good stuff. Definitely giving you baddie of all trade vibes. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you get a notification. Thumbs up this video, smash that like button, poo, and then comment down below, and then make sure to share this video with your friends. Let's get right into the tutorial. Hey you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So when I do this, I always split my hair in half, and this just helps me, I don't know, it just makes it easier, because when I do my flat iron curls, I do add some like pins, whatever kind of pins you would want, just to hold them so they don't fall quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my paddle brush and I'm just going to brush out my units or my hair, each section. I did brush it out before I started. And then like you would do a regular curling iron, you kind of like roll the hair in the flat iron. Now flat iron curls are not going to give you what a wand curl will give you or a curling iron will give you. It's going to give you like this beautiful wave, as you can see right there. It gives you like this wavy look, and that's the look that I'm going for. This is the flat iron curler for me, especially when the hair is longer. This is my 30-inch hair from her imports. This is for body. It just adds so much body to your hair, and it just makes it give you that effortless kind of like flippy kind of look. I hope that makes sense, because that's kind of what I mean. So I'm just gonna put all the hair down in there and then roll it up, as you can see me doing right now. And then I just pull it off slowly, and then I'm just gonna hold that in my hand, maybe sometimes push it together, depends on how I'm feeling, and then let it go. So you can see that like the end of that has this like cute little kind of curl look, and that is what I'm going for. I get that if you had a smaller flat iron or a flat iron that has like the metal all around, it would give you more of a curly look, but to be honest, that's not what flat iron curls are for, in my opinion. So this is my perfect way to do them. And just repetitious. When you're doing hair, it's always repetitious. You can just do break section by section, flatten it down, make sure it's straight, especially at the top since it's not going to curl the whole thing. And then you just go ahead and curl it up. I mean, this is such a simple tutorial. I over flat iron clearly. But yeah, it's a simple tutorial, and it doesn't take much time to honestly do. This will take you about 30 minutes to an hour if you're distracted or get distracted like I always get. It might take you an hour, or if you're quick, it'll take you like 30 minutes. Okay, so here's the first pin. I'm just gonna pull all that up and then just add one of those like duck pins on it just to hold it, since it's a lot of hair, and then just hold it there like that, okay? And that'll just keep it from falling. And then I did the same thing all over, so now I'm just going to show you how I did the top. I kind of don't like too many layers in my hair, so some people want to have this part to be shorter. It does look a lot wavier when it's shorter on this side, but this is not the only style I'm going to do in this hair, so I'm not going to cut the front of my hair too short. But yeah, just for FYI, you can just like cut layers into it. I don't really like layers on me. I don't know why, but I just don't. So I don't have too many layers. I usually keep it where it's at. So the same thing I was doing on the other side as you saw before. You're just going to pull that off and then hold it and then drop it, and you'll have that curl. So I'm only doing 2 more of the pin sections basically. So that's what you see me doing right now. Very repetitious, you guys. You already know. You gotta do it over and over and over. Okay, period, says. You gotta do it over and over and over. You hear the nails clicking over and over and over, says. That's what you have to give. You got to give repetitious. You have to give over and over. You have to give repeating. You have to give copy. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys. Don't you just hate the faces that you make when you're doing your hair, or is it just me? Like, I legit hate the faces that I make. I just be doing like weird stuff, like stuff stinks. Like, it's stinking here. Okay, so I definitely just spray myself in the face. Now for the freeze spray, I would suggest you use hairspray instead of freeze spray, but I cannot find my hairspray. So I was like, all right, whatever. For the purpose of the video, I just want y'all to know to use something that'll kind of hold it so it doesn't just drop and fall. And then I just start taking out those pins, and you can just see like how it just looks nice and wavy. And you're just gonna comb the top out in case there's any indentions from those pins. And that's how the ends look. And that's really exactly how I want it to look. To give it that kind of fall look on the sides, you're just gonna pull the hair back and then just let it wave back forward. So that's just what you see me doing right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. It's all you have to do, and just kind of like style it the way you want it. And these are how the flat iron curls look when they come out. It's just super body, super cute. I just love this. Like, I just love how this looks. This is the look I like to go for. It's very simplistic, but it just looks like you put a little bit more effort into your hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to join the Flower Gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Mwah. See you guys in my next video. Bye.